Managing your money might seem daunting, but it's all about understanding the basics and making small, intentional decisions each day. Whether you're starting out or looking to improve your current financial situation, mastering personal finance is a key step in achieving long-term financial stability. In this video, we'll break down practical and effective tips that will help you manage your finances more easily, keep your spending in check, and work toward your goals. If you want to take control of your finances and start seeing results, make sure to hit that subscribe button for more helpful content. 10. Start with a budget. A budget is the cornerstone of personal finance. It's the first step in taking control of your money and understanding where it's going each month. Without a clear budget, it's easy to overspend, forget about bills, or fall into debt. The first thing you need to do is track your income and list your monthly expenses. Break your expenses down into two categories: fixed, like rent, utilities, and subscriptions, and variable, like groceries, gas, and entertainment. Once you've got a clear picture of your income and expenses, subtract your expenses from your income. This will show you how much you have left for savings or discretionary spending. A budget helps you avoid spending beyond your means, and it helps prioritize what's most important. Try to stick to it each month and adjust when necessary. 9. Save consistently. The importance of saving cannot be overstated. If you don't save, you'll find it difficult to handle unexpected expenses or reach long-term financial goals. The best way to start is by setting up a dedicated savings account. You can open a high-yield savings account, which offers better interest rates than a traditional savings account, and make saving a consistent habit. Start small. Aim to save at least 10% of your monthly income if possible. Set up automatic transfers from your checking to your savings account right after payday, so that you don't have to think about it. Over time, this will help you build up a cushion for emergencies, as well as save for future goals like a vacation, a home, or retirement. 8. Pay yourself. First, paying yourself first means prioritizing your savings before anything else. The idea is simple. As soon as you receive your income, automatically set aside money for your savings. This should be done before you pay bills, buy groceries, or spend on anything else. It's a powerful habit that forces you to save no matter what. Once your savings are in place, then use what's left for your regular expenses. This method ensures that your financial future is prioritized over short-term wants. It also helps you build savings without the temptation to spend everything first. 7. Set realistic financial goals. Having specific financial goals helps you Use budgeting apps or a simple spreadsheet to track every purchase. You'll gain insight into your spending habits and can adjust accordingly. If you see that you're spending too much on dining out, for example, try cooking at home more often. Small changes like these can make a big difference in your overall financial health. 3. Build your credit. Your credit score is one of the most important factors in determining your ability to borrow money at favorable terms. A good credit score can save you thousands of dollars in interest over the course of your lifetime. To build or maintain good credit, start by paying bills on time, keeping credit card balances low, and avoiding unnecessary credit inquiries. Check your credit report regularly to ensure there are no errors or discrepancies. If your score is low, focus on paying off outstanding debts and using credit responsibly. Over time, your credit score will improve, making it easier for you to qualify for loans with better interest rates when you need them. 2. Invest for the future. Once you've built an emergency fund and paid off high-interest debt, it's time to think about growing your wealth. Investing is one of the most powerful ways to build long-term financial security. Start by contributing to retirement accounts, like a 401k or an IRA. These accounts offer tax benefits and help you save for retirement. 1. Live below your means. Living below your means is one of the most important principles of personal finance. It's about making intentional choices that prioritize your long-term financial security over short-term gratification. Avoid the temptation to keep up with others and resist the urge to buy things you can't afford. Instead, focus on saving and investing in your future. By making conscious decisions to spend less than you earn, you'll be in a better position to save, invest, and build wealth over time. It may require some sacrifices now, but the payoff will be worth it in the long run. Personal finance doesn't have to be complicated. By following these simple tips, you can take control of your money, reduce financial stress, and work toward achieving your financial goals. Whether you're just starting out or looking to improve your current financial situation, the key is to build a solid foundation through budgeting, saving, and making smart financial choices. Remember, the earlier you start, the more time you have to grow your wealth and secure your financial future. If you found these tips helpful, make sure to subscribe to our channel for more insights and tips on managing your money. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.